Hello students, welcome. Computerized accounting lectures. Last classes we discussed about computerized accounting and many features we understood by taking examples. In this video, we understand the function case F1 to F9 with the example of two questions which were given in question bank of Osmania University. So we understand the function keys as well as how to practice the problem. Computerized accounting function keys F1 function key is available in all master menu screens. Accounting masters, inventory master, voucher entry. So that will help us to select the company. F2 is used for change the accounting period. When the company was started in 2007 and I want to take a report from 2008 March to 2019, 2018 8 April to 2009 March, then simply press Alt F2 to change the period wherever it is required. F2 is used for change the menu period. F3 is selecting the company which is available in all masters. First, whenever we open Tally, usually we use Alt F3 for selecting the company menu. Okay, F3. And F4 contra voucher, F5 payment voucher, F6 receipt voucher, F7 is a journal voucher, F8 sales voucher, F9 purchase voucher. For understanding the function keys from F1 to F9, we took the example of question number 17 and 18. With these transactions, we understand how F1 to F9 are used. By simply pressing the shortcuts, function keys only. Okay, steps, many earlier lectures we discussed about these steps. First, creation of a company, later accounting groups if any required, and creation of ledger accounts, creation of units of measure, creation of stock groups, go downs, stock items, voucher entry, and finally that is output report generation. Okay, question number 17 and 18. First we will understand 17. What are the ledger accounts available? Salaries, capital, rent, commission, stationery, purchases, cash, furniture, machinery. Okay. Here I am finding two fixed assets, furniture and machinery. I would like to categorize them into tangible assets. That's why what I am doing, creation of accounting groups, I am creating one group called just a moment students. So see the steps which are available in that. See them here. Step 2 we created tangible assets under fixed assets. Step 3 is creation of ledger accounts, salaries, rent, depreciation, and stationery we created under intangible indirect expenses. Capital under capital accounts, commission received indirect incomes, furniture and machinery which we already created tangible assets. Under that we are writing. Okay. Outstanding rent is current liabilities, purchase under purchase account, sales under sales account. And in 17th problem number 17, Ram, Roshan, Mohan are the sundry creditors. We got goods from them and we sold goods to Leela, Praveena and Praveen. That's why these 6 people were categorized as debtors and creditors. So in this problem, it was not given in question bank, but I taken own as a go down creation. Uppal and Abbott's go downs are there. These 2 go downs for understanding purpose, okay, na? As well as memory card and phone covers were taken as stock items, and memory cards and phone covers we are usually making into mobile accessories, and I created a stock group called as accessories, mobile accessories. Under primary group. Alright. Okay, this is. So now we open Tally. Opening the Tally. Minimize. So gateway of Tally is there. Press Alt F3, which we learned. Select company is there. Connect company, shut company, create company. Okay, create company. New company we are creating. New company for 17 and 18. Just I am giving understanding purpose only. Company names may not like that. Address India, country is India, state is Telangana. Remaining all details as your wish you can fill up. Now we are creating a new company. In this function key we used Alt F1, Alt F3. Okay, escape. Gateway of Tally, minimize this one. Just a moment. If these are simultaneous, then we can easily understand. Creation of company is over. Then creation of ledger accounts. Sorry, groups. Group. Only one group which we are going to create. That's why single group create. Tangible assets. Under fixed assets. Group behave subledger yes, saved. Okay, step 2 is completed. Step 3, creation of ledger accounts. We are in groups, then come into the ledgers. Come to the multiple, we can create all ledgers at a time. Multiple creation, select all items and the salaries. Under indirect expenses. Rent, under indirect expenses, stationery, under indirect expenses, depreciation under indirect expenses. Capital under capital accounts. Commission received, indirect income, furniture. We had a group tangible assets we created, okay? Machinery, same tangible asset. Outstanding rent. All outstanding expenses are liabilities. That's why it is current liability. Outstanding rent is a current liability. Purchases. Under purchase accounts, click the first letter. You can our group will be highlighted. Then click the down arrow or up arrow. It will be RAM. Okay, students. So directly we can create Ram, Mohan, Roshan under sundry creditor. But under sundry creditor group, how these ledger accounts are created, I will show you. We will save this one. Now create, select the group sundry creditor. It is asking Ram. It is not asking me to take the group here. Already I mentioned the group. Roshan. Automatically it is coming. Ram, Roshan, Mohan. Right. Okay. So in the same manner we can create under sundry debtors also. Select sundry debtors group. Under one group many ledgers has to be created. Then it is one method. Leela. Another one is Avina. Another one is Praveen. Okay, right. Okay. You understand? So I created single ledger, multiple ledgers at a time, and also I created multiple ledgers under one single group, Then coming to the go down creation. Step number 4 is go down creation, inventory info, locations. Create multiple location, two locations I have to create. That's why I go for under main location. Main in the sense Hyderabad, okay? Habits. Under main location. Next to open. Next to stock groups. Creation of stock groups. Come to the stock groups. Only one group we have to create, that is mobile accessories. Accessories under primary. Yes, wanted to be added, yes. And now I have to create stock items. Come to the stock items. Before stock item, just you see what is the requirement of UOM. Create memory cards. It comes under the group mobile accessories. You see here units were there. That's why I have to mention the unit. So directly also I can create Alt C. NO, formal name number, no decimal places for number, it is coming NO, alternative units are not required, no standard rates, any opening quantity, and how the closing stock will be valued, opening balances are there or not, it is asking. Okay, next memory cards are there. After that, mobile covers. Under mobile accessories group, measured under number, no alternative units, no standard, no rate of duty. It is we are for no opening quantity also. Okay, right. Now we will go for voucher entry. Back to gateway of tally, accounting vouchers. Before that accounting vouchers, look at the problem number, and here cash 45,000 is there. But we will enter this one, cash. So how to enter cash is click here, it will be enabled. Accounts info, ledgers, alter, select cash, and come to the opening balance. Give amount is how much? 45,000, I think. Yes, 45,000. Opening balance 45,000. Only this method only we can enter the cash opening balance, because already cash is created by tally. We cannot create cash like the ledgers which we created earlier. Now look at the problem number 17. Purchased goods from RAM. Purchase voucher. Come to the voucher entry. Accounting voucher. Purchase voucher shortcut key is F9. Press F9, and it is like this. When it is like invoice, just come to the as a voucher. Okay, look at. So invoice number 101, date automatically will come. Goods purchased from RAM, select RAM. Amount is 10,000. Supplier name RAM. Address and everything it is asking. Amount is 10,000. It is new reference, and purchases. Name of the item, which we were not as memory cards. Location, these memory cards are available in Uppal Godown. Quantity of memory cards is 100. Rate is 100. Amount is 10,000 is enough. That's all. Goods purchased on credit. Okay. Next, also we purchased phone covers. Okay. Purchased goods from Roshan. It is 102. Select Roshan. Amount is 5,000. It is Roshan details. Amount is 5,000. Is also new reference. Purchases, select purchases. What we purchased? Phone covers. Phone covers. Location is Uppal. Quantity is 100. Price is 50. Amount is 5,000. Goods purchased from Roshan. Next, also purchases 103. Amount is 20,000. Purchased from Mohan. Select Mohan. Mohan details. Amount 20,000 is new reference of 103. Purchases. Item what we purchased, memory cards. Location is Abbots. Amount is how many items? 200 items. At the rate of 100, 20,000. Narration is simple as it is. Now, sold goods to Leela. F8. Go to the as a voucher. It is 201 reference number. Select Leela. Leela details. Leela value is 25,000. Okay. It is also a new reference. 201. Sales. Name of the items. What we sold to Leela? Memory cards. Location. Memory cards are available in Abits, I think. Abits. From Abits location, we are taking 100 quantity at the rate of 250. Right, 25,000. Goods sold to Leela. Next, sold goods to Praveena. 202. Praveena details. Amount is 10,000. New reference 202. Sales. Name of the item. Mobile covers. Location. Covers are available from Uppal only. Quantity 50. Amount 200. 10,000. Mobile covers. Okay. Right. Next, sold goods to Praveen. 203. Praveen details. Amount is 20,000. It's a new reference. 203. References we are giving for recording the no item is available. Sales and purchase are not matching. So memory cards. बाजू से लिया हम कस्टमर को बाजू से दिया. Yes, available. Memory cards are available. From where it is available? Abits is 100. Uppal is 100. So I can select any location because it is quantity is 50 only and I sold for 400. Bakra customer मिलेगी शायद. Right. So 17th problem is only entering sales and purchases. Then salaries payment. Where payment voucher is F5. Salaries account data. Salaries amount is 70,000. Then all I can pass at a time. Rent account data. Rent amount is 30,000. Stationery account data. Stationery amount is 5,000. And I paid through cash. Cash account. See here, 60,000 it is telling negative balance. Okay, accept it. Then receipt voucher. Capital is received na, cash account data to capital account F6. Capital amount is 6 lakhs. Again I can take commission. Commission received is there. Commission received 10,000. Okay, cash. So earlier negative balance 60,000 is there. Presently it is 5,50,000 because we received 6 lakhs capital. Received Capital is there, rent is over, commission is over, stationery, purchases. Purchase voucher is F9. F9 as a voucher. It is 1 cash account data, 2 cash. There is no name about party. That's why no name about party. That's why we are taking it as a cash purchases. 84,000 purchases. Name of the item. We purchased memory cards. Occasion habits. 840 at the rate of 100. Right. Then sales. F8 sales as a voucher. Reference to cash. So here he is not mentioned anything. Directly I can take cash account data to sales account, 1,65,000. Sales. Just simply press. There were no items. Write down cash sales. Then there is a adjustment entry is called as outstanding rent. So outstanding rent is added to the. There is no cash. So journal voucher we have to take. Rent account data. Rent amount is 1,000 to outstanding rent account. Narration, outstanding rent recorded. Then depreciation on furniture and machinery. This is also non-cash voucher. That's why non-cash vouchers transactions are passed through journal voucher. So furniture 5%. Furniture value is 4,60,000 into 5%, 23,000 to furniture. And here also depreciation I can change. On machinery 81,000 into 4%, 32,400. So I am unable to calculate. Just simply press Ctrl N. You will come to the calculator. 81,000 into 4 by 100. You see 3240. Okay. In same manner I will calculate depreciation for machinery also, furniture also, into 5 divided by 100. 23,3240. 26,240. So I will change it for single entry 26,240. Furniture amount is 23,000 and here machinery is a balance amount. Automatically it will take balance. So I passed entries simultaneously. Okay students, that is regarding voucher entry. Next is a simple, very simple. Reports generation. Accounting reports will be generated. Those are escape, come to profit and loss account. You see Alt F1 and come to stock summary. Alt F1. What are the stocks available? Okay, its value. Also balance sheet, any information. that is regarding function case f1 to f9. You practice this at your home by following this video, and you are able to solve these two questions whenever it is appeared in your practical examination. The steps which I shown in PPT, in same manner you can solve this. Bye students, try to subscribe and you will get updates. Then if you are liked this,